presentation. My my first presentation akokwa the Savannah region. President Mahama yade. There's no doubt about it. President Mahama was starting.
Right.
And when I say me party be about journalism. Now once a kwa na manfu pia any ade asa say dom treat in some way somehow will be. And now me pay statement of course so bu okro no kwatimi tiatia military for no munya ne omo ye no na omunya journalist no munya omadwuma nti akokwa o yade at least member city no so my analysis now still o share the economy akokwa it's not that bad again we share the general governance situation so appear data available near it's not that bad akokwa temi phrase in you it's not that bad in fact akokwa share inflation so na say santiba from meboa I think say almost October na ya anya careful be cost because of the way city na start behave no enti akokwa kan nyina boma generally there enka bad so ba akokwa medwen say ye area menu bi a President Mahama is massively failing. Me say it's not all that bad, but when it comes to the areas of failure, me say massively failing. On top of my head, I don't need to do even any research. What's a security situation as in Kuyi?
Right.
This week in Konya, Oti region, there's near the coffee. Boko matters no escalate homo yes yakotu tutu and akokwa trend na exactly akwati e bebo ma baso me baso na akokwa I can see clearly say there's a pattern. It seems people are being emboldened as a general security breakdown be o hwebeku die ya so bitimi cool school
ni yakobonitu
ni yakobo student tu. Yes, there's a, for me, from where I sit, there's an escalation on security. It even does into the Galamsey areas. The proliferation of arms. It to a for some near there. So I feel like don't say he's doing well. No, about security and the Galamsey, unfairly.
Yeah.
Galamsey and Ansano Berry Dimino after the airline on Omubichum Parliament bar. The acting minister for environment, Kofi Amabwa. Any one minister for lands, but one active for Mutala. Nyame fa ne krensie. I think that's what in any Kosa areas no. Honorable Muntaka as interior minister, meaning that one of the police so near don't any IGP no. Me the IGP so akwatia meba so. So far me say dem huni years ah. Akwa homo audience so video no see so be ya dia kukuo different, but for people to blatantly those nyama bi yen hu on security issues no. Me just say president mama na security capos den kasa. Sure. He needs to speak to the CDS, the IGP, and need to give us a firm. How can they make us an in here? They be a catch us, Dr. Jones, a cabi bitches, and a pattern. Say BBC Baku Mienu Miensan, a pattern.
Sure.
You see, it develops into a trend. My establishment as a may be a cause of my there seem to be a track of when you're now say crush violent crimes among the youth for being your BB to a plaza, what is a kind? There's a lot of issues happening.
Sure.
Now, August 26, and it is a nipa 6 where a graphic. But catch us a analysis. If it's not my jaw online, graphic, city, other ones, and you both are the we'll say 6 killed, 18 injured in Gbiniyiri land dispute. Gbiniyiri. Now, one is a Muslim, Tokani we see, and a ma. We are the most vulnerable.
Right.
Kokwa 6 killed she date no August 26. Hade. Akokwa fe nu me call France 24.
Right.
4th September. And I set right into nansa, which is what Thursday. Akokwa hade. At least 31 people have been killed and nearly 5,000 displaced following violent communal clashes in Ghana's Savannah region, sparked by a land dispute in the village of Gbiniyiri. The conflict, which erupted in August, has forced more than 13,000 Ghanaians to seek refuge in neighboring Ivory Coast, which authorities are now racing to restore calm amid provide aid and investigate the root cause. August 26. August 26. Nipa 6 now.
Yeah.
As at September 4. Nipa 31 now. I hope 6 film 25, meaning that 27th, 28th. So I guess 30 days maybe. 9th, 30 days, right? September 1, September 2, September 3, September 4. in the 31. Tiaman saying that roughly 10 days, you know. Nipa 25 ne wuye. An average of at least 2 lives a day. So Akokwa, you ask yourself, say, the country security couple should explain to us how they sat from August 26 to September 4 for 31 people to die. Akokwa, 25 deaths in barely 10 days.
And while people be in their houses, and all that.
What is this? I don't know why this has not gained media attention much. But Ghana for 13 times, we made Janiko neighboring Cote d'Ivoire, Burkina Faso. In fact, we want brand TB area, you be oye. Baby, we go Burkina Faso no crown. Extremists place be. Now, Ghana doesn't Casadi way and fire. And I walk one into Asadi way. It was not part of my presentation initially. Number say a bon como. Libya. Now me yesterday no. But I feel so way important to me than the CD conversation. Because what one in India. To follow the map of the sub-regional. Who's a sub-region Ghana? Up extremist activity pan. Maybe a Ghana was south of the Sahara, Mali, Niger, Burkina Faso. Akokwa, ahana say you come say topa ye tofo, topa ye share mine whatever, mutu ya muken. Bombers ne is akayi da terrorism activity topa ye tofo no. Etiato dom no. Terrorist activities no. Ahana dominate. So one you careful. Some of these things, you know, people may may infiltrate it. Now they are some brain. Whatever land dispute it is, you will Ghana your eminent minds. Your military can echo statements in the idea. So I don't get it. I'm not a security couple, but it worries me that for 10 days, we search for 6 deaths to escalate to 31. And now I said because we as a report by France 24 on the 4th. I don't know what has happened. And I mutaka kasawo joy. I was not happy with Nemabi and Walker. Or confirm me 31. Let's confirm me 30,000 displaced for Ivory Coast, the Cote d'Ivoire. In Ghana, the Yen and Crankofumo mo koni ajewom. Aqua, our brothers, there whatever the issues are, no, let's be able to address it. And yet the papa, I say with the Biameka, I speak a lot of passion. Okay, we be a president who for the independence called Northern region. Okay, I didn't dominate war. Say, Omenya interchange. I couldn't believe it. Say 2022. I think it's 2022, 2021, it's 2020. Yeah, 2022, 2021, oh baby. That was the first time we're taking an interchange to the fastest growing metropolitan area, Tamale. It's because of the absence of peace and some of these issues. Whatever it would take for us to broker peace in Akokwa, me say you take this apart. Because Akokwa Congo, the richest country per all the research when it comes to resources, Congo. Akwa Kotan. And then mobile phone we use to there's a high propensity and I likely will say element to be a mobile phone if we Congo. Akokwa is one of the poorest country on the conflict. No move dikrano netting. Akokwa, we need peace. And Akokwa, very important to me because President Mahama is from Savannah region. So it should be a personal charge. Say under your presidency, at least home region there, charity begins at home.
And one thing, Eugene, you know your history, you understand. So we read about the Gunja, the Savannah. Omo ewo dama go ni na se 4-day banwa. O kind de bela jaba. Japa. Yeah, who actually free Mali ebe remu a obetene one I think is it the we omo kingdom no. Ono na e fight ya getting through even through Bono to Ashanti ona onya oye hater omo de ne koku. We know that he's a warrior and the descendants are these people. So if you have this history, when there is any adibia, sorry, I say misunderstanding, I wouldn't say that is your root, a root of warriors who knows nothing but to fight. And Untina Asoka was actually preempting San or maybe an not just because of anything, because the root of people who speaks volume, where we know he's a Gunja man, and some of these roots coming from the lines of a warrior. It won't say such tribes and those things, the be man it's something that you shouldn't take it lightly.
Yeah, and I make us say the data shows of it.
I mean, they were
August the year.
Yeah.
6. As at 26. Now by 4 now could do 31. I what means say I am solving in tema.
Yeah.
By 15th, another 25, which is what 56.
Yeah.
And it's alarming. MIM could do. And I think that the media should keep this on the front burner until say the security couples who address it.
Yeah.
How come I say President Mahama or there? I will defend him any day when it comes to the economy and some of the indices.
Right.
But what security there? Unchate. The couples no mwano. And I'm giving you several instances.
Sure.
Azoka dear udemeba.
Okay.
To the FNC.
Right.
This is my first presentation. Okay, Wiki, I'm on for be brief.